I have been all about getting my hair done as quickly and as easily as possible lately, so I'm going to show you one of my new favorite techniques for doing my hair ultra quickly. On my clean hair, if I decide last minute I'm going to pop out and I just want something a little bit more than just my straight hair, but I literally have 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to show you what I do. I'm going to use my flat iron because everyone likes to ask. This is the Lange flat iron. I'm not particular to this brand though. I have a few different brands of flat irons. I have an Amica, I have an Avanti, I have the Lange, I've had other brands, a Babeless. I like them all. My preference is ceramic. So it doesn't really matter. I keep my flat iron at 325 degrees. That's enough for my hair. Usually for most fine hair types, it will be. I'd say that's probably around a medium to a medium high heat. But any flat iron that you like is going to work. You don't have to use the same one as me. And you could even do this today with a curling iron or a wand if you really wanted to. But I like to do this with a flat iron. So what we're going to do is we're literally just going to take a couple chunks of hair at the front. We're going to give them a quick flip, and then we're going to flip our ends, and that's going to be it. It's going to take just a couple minutes, and our hair is going to look just a little zhuzhed, okay? It's not fancy. It's not like, oh my God, I'm going to a gala. But if you just don't want your hair just straight, this is a great way to make it feel a little more done. So I'm literally just going to take the section at the front, and I'm going to brush each section quickly before I do it, just because if anything is tangled or any of the hairs are not going in the same direction, it's going to make it harder to curl, and the curls aren't going to turn out as nice. So I'm just going to grab this section, and I'm going to give it a quick curl away from my face. I'm not going to do any of my curls tight, okay? Because if we do anything tight, that is going to make, I'm going to do that one a little bit more. I didn't curl quite enough. I think my flat iron's not fully heated up yet. We don't want to do anything too tight because we're not going to curl all of our hair, and if we just have a few random like tight ringlets, that won't look quite right, but we just want a few loose curls. So let me do this one again. That's better. Well, it's a little too tight, but that's okay. That's better than the first one. And then I'm just going to take one more section here at the front. Quite a large section, pretty much all this hair right here. And I'm just going to curl that. You could curl towards or away from your face. Doesn't really matter. Just curl. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same on this side. Might need 3 sections over here. Got one there. Keep in mind you need to curl on the slower side because these are bigger chunks of hair, and the thicker the section of hair, the slower you need to go so that you can heat the hair all the way through. Not so slow that you get like a tight ringlet, but slow enough. And then we'll just do this last little section right here. And then so that we don't just leave this stuff straight, we're going to take the back, and obviously if you have more hair than me, you might need to do a couple more sections, but we're literally just the last like few inches of the hair. You're not going far up, just the last few inches. Just give it a flip, and then like get that last section that we haven't done yet. Don't even pay attention to what direction these are going, okay? Because it literally does not matter. Done. And then we're just going to shake it out. And there we go. Look at that. Instead of just straight, now our hair looks like we put in a little effort. If I wasn't talking and I wasn't filming, it would literally take me 2 minutes. And if you have gotten good at using your hot tool, it will be really fast. Obviously, if you're still learning to use your hot tool, it might take you a few more minutes. But it's super fast, it's super easy. I think it comes out really pretty. It might look a slight bit different every time, and obviously if you curl towards or away from your face, that's gonna give you different looks. Experiment, have fun. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful and it gave you another quick and easy way to style your hair without having to commit to a lot of time. Let me know in the comments if you try it out, how it works for you, or if there's any other videos you would like me to film for you, because I want to make the content that you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching today. I love having you here. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.